YouTube, it's been a fat minute. It feels like I haven't vlogged or done anything video related in a very long time, and it feels weird. It feels weird to be back. Tell by the title of this video, we're gonna finally be installing something on the car. It feels like it's been forever. We're gonna go to Brian's house and put it installed, but I just want to say I'm sorry that I haven't been able to vlog. Pussy. Okay, we're gonna go to Brian's house right now. We just got off of the gym, so that's why I look like this. But I do want to let you guys know that the new drop is now on the website. This is the best design that we've made on Lost Mines in general, so it'll be the first link down below. Go cop it. I was gonna close the shop, but I realized I haven't even told the vlog that these are out yet. So these are out. There's a jacket and a shirt, which I'm gonna put on right now because it's hot and I just got out of the gym and I want to get into a different shirt. So let me switch shirts. Yeah, got the shirt on now. Actually had to put a hat on too because the hair just wasn't it. But now we're gonna go to Brian's house and get this Mugen piece installed. But yeah, like I said, if you guys want the shirt or the jacket, they are running a bit oversized, so just keep that in mind when you're getting them. But yeah, these are fire. These are the best quality shirts that we put out and the best design we put out. So I'm excited for it. Now let's go get this Mugen piece installed. Yeah, finally. What up? What up?
What's going on?
What's good? What's going on? Damn, I haven't even put this in the vlog yet. It looks great as always. You've had it for how long? 2 weeks already?
No, a week.
A week? Brian just got his car back from getting wrapped. It's kind of hard to tell on camera, but it's Millennium Jade. Looks kind of gray, but it shit is fire. Okay. Oh shit, I hit the shit on my window. I'm hoping we don't have to drill anything. My boy trying to read Japanese.
I can barely read English.
So kind of putting it on here, test fitting it a little bit. Shit, going like that. Then we have to drill into the bumper a bit. That's actually not bad. Gee. Well, look, you can just Google Translate and this is in English. You don't need Japanese. Just put the right side on, and you can tell. I mean, it flows really perfect. It's really good. Get the side piece, and it connects with the rest of the Mugen. So,
Alright.
I'm digging it. Huh?
Alright.
So I mean, it looks really good. So this is the Mugen side. Mugen? Mugen. Mugen. And then this is non-Mugen, and that's the non-Mugen side. So I like this a lot better because it actually flows now with the rest of the kit. So now you can see a whole lot better.
That's it?
Nah, I ain't not gonna about that. They're both doing it. There's no way to correct that. I'm just hoping. No, I'm just hoping like the water doesn't fall in and unstick it.
This is not a good word for a date.
That's what it says. You read Japanese?
Word translation.
Okay, so let's hope it doesn't rain today or tomorrow. You can't even tell on camera. Oh yeah, now you can tell.
What?
Yeah, this shit's heavy. Hello? Yeah, that looks way better, dude. If only it wasn't so damn dirty. Oh, gee. We're gonna go take some pictures of both of our cars. There's a dope place that I got sent to, so the rear piece looks really good. It's hard to tell though, so hopefully when we get over there, you can tell a lot more. But yeah, we're gonna go there and oh, he's taking off already. So we're gonna go take some pictures and have a good time. I miss days like these, man. You don't get too many of these anymore. Just going out with your buddies and just going to have a good time. So we're gonna vlog some of it and have a good time while the rain. kind of something. Damn, I kind of wanted to go over there. Alright. You just said fuck it, huh?
Oh, okay.
Yeah, you're right. You want to go try to get in there between the bushes, but gee, you can go like if you might have to like back in that way. Oh no, what's this? Oh, it's all dirt. Scared the hell out of me. But look at the rear end, dude. It just looks so freaking good. I kind of want to get like a little like diffuser and stuff right here to kind of cover that up a little bit. But no, the rear Mugen piece, it looks really good. I'm liking how that looks. Look at the rear end. I'm gonna try to get some pictures for you guys so you guys can see it a little bit better. I can't get over how the rear end looks, dude. Kind of wish I had my Mugen tail lights just to see how it would have looked, but like I said, I mean, I don't know if I told you guys the reason why I took them off, but everybody was rocking them. I want to get the Mugen wing though, or the Seeker like double deck wing that's gonna be on this car. Like I said, like a little diffuser in the back to kind of get rid of what's missing in the middle, and then pretty much the rear end will be done for me. And then I do want to get a little drone ski. I do want to get a splitter for the front, so if I can somehow get like probably the race spread splitter is what I see everybody rocking, so I might go with the race spread splitter. And then I do want to get the Jay's Racing front grille or the American modified, which I know is a lot cheaper. And then I do want to kind of paint this part, or I know there's like an overlay where they make this white, so I might do that because it looks really clean. New hood's on the way. It's just that might take some time, but I mean, this thing's coming along a lot better and a lot nicer than I thought it would. I'm going for more of like the clean type of look. I don't want to go something that's like too crazy and too absurd, so I'm going with like a clean look. I always felt like the rear end was lacking something, and now it just looks a whole lot better. So I like how it looks and how it came out. Dude, that shit's scary to be under. We have Brian's clean ass Evo. I wish I was able to do like a proper reveal for you guys, but it's got the Millennium Jade, which you guys can tell a lot better now on his Evo. It's making some crazy power. This thing's clean, dude. Part of me really wants an Evo X as well. You got new wheels on the way, right? Maybe. Possibly. The wheels that he wants for that thing is clean.
Only like 8 months out.
That's it.
I can wait.
Yeah. You just blink and 8 months will go by. We're kind of getting kicked out, I guess you can say. I don't know if we were really kind of kicked out, but we got told to get the fuck out of here, so we're gonna get the fuck out of here. Ooh, this is scary, bro. My shit ain't 4-wheel drive, brother. Alright, this is Liam, right?
Yeah, I'm Liam.
Nice to meet you. We just were fucking leaving because we got kicked out over there. And it's got a clean Type R here. It's got the bumper that I want, that I can't find anywhere. But damn, I'm jealous. I'm jealous for sure. Yeah, that's the wing. It's the wing that I want to. I know it's hard to see right now, but it's just clean. I think that's the wing that I wanted. I like it. I'm jealous from this bumper though. I know. That comes with them. The Bears hood as well. Look super clean.
You're probably getting kicked out right now.
Should you tell him to wait? It is a few days later from the last clip that you guys seen. All we did was go have boba after and just kind of hang out and just have a good time. So expect more vlogs like this and more install videos. Everything's coming. It's going to be crazy. I hope you guys are excited. I'm excited. If you guys want the new drop, like I said, it's going to be the first link in the description. These things are fire. The quality of the jackets and the shirts are all fire. So if you guys want one, go cop one. But yeah, I just want to tell you guys thank you. I know I've been stepping away from YouTube a little bit and just kind of enjoying life a little bit and just trying to go to the gym and have a good time and go to work and everything. So sorry I haven't been able to upload as much, but expect a lot more uploads. Be ready. It's gonna be crazy. It's gonna be insane. It's gonna be fun. I'm gonna bring you guys along with me in my life. You know, if I go out and vlog, you guys will be there with me, and I hope you guys are excited for that because it's gonna be a whole lot of fun. You guys will meet a lot of new people too, so be ready for all that. Yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video and you guys want to see more vlogs like this and just more like just going out and having a good time with a bunch of people, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you guys have not already. I'll see you guys in the next video. Dab, peace. Also, I'm gonna try to be more consistent on uploading and try to figure out an upload, because I know I don't have a proper upload schedule. I just kind of upload when I upload, so I'll try to make something that's more consistent. I'm trying to upload once a week, so just be ready for that as well.